So today's lecture is actually a different one, not of SSC. It is related to the HSC paper of economics, how to solve the paper of economics in around 160 or 165 minutes just by keeping 15 minutes in your hands. So how to complete the paper of HSC economics in 165 minutes? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 questions in economics paper. In question number 1, you will be getting the options of A, B, C, D. You have to solve each and everything in question 1. So for solving in proper amount of time, you have to provide question A 5 minutes, question B 5 minutes, question C 5 minutes, question D 5 minutes. So overall amount of 20 minutes will be taken by the question number 1. Write the whole sentence in case of fill in the blanks if any. Question number 2 will be like identifying and explain the term, and it will be you have to write 3 out of 5 questions given to you, and it will be coming for the 6 marks. So in that particular question you have to give 5 minutes for each and every question, because you have to first of all remember that particular term, and then you have to write at least 3 to 4 lines about a particular term. It will be taking 15 minutes. Then we are going towards a distinguish between. Distinguish between is actually difficult one. You have to draw the graph if the question of the microeconomics comes in that distinguish between. So you have to write the 3 points, and in that 3 point you have to draw the graph. Without the graph, the microeconomics will not be getting any type of marks. If it is question is coming for 6 marks and each and every question is coming for the 2 marks, you have to draw the graph if the question of microeconomics comes. So we have also kept the 5 minutes each, so you can provide 15 minutes this question also. You have to write 3 out of 5. So now we are going towards the question number 3, which is a very lengthy question, and in that you have to write 3 out of 5 question. It will be at least a 10 to 20 or 12 lines question. It will be 80 to 100 words you have to write in that, and it will be consisting of 12 marks. So यहाँ पे आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन को देना है 10 मिनट, and that will be actually getting 30 minutes. It will be consuming 30 minutes of your own 180 minutes. Then there is a question number 4, which is all depending upon agree and disagree. Which reason you have to write? First of all, you have to write yes, I do agree with the statement, yes, I do not agree, or you can also say I do disagree with the statement. And in that you have to write any 3 out of 5. It will be a 12 marks question, and we have kept the 10 minutes for each and every question, and it will be taking consuming the 30 minutes out of 180 minutes. Now question number 5 is actually the easier one. You have to read the paragraph and accordingly you have to write the answers. Sometimes you have to write a table and you have to do the graph also. And this question is consisting of 8 marks. You have to write the 2 question out of 3. And as the paragraph reading is over there, you have to draw the table, draw the graph, and that's why we have kept the 20 minutes, 10 minutes for each and every question, because you have to write the 2 question out of 3. Then question number 6. This is the biggest question from the economics paper, and you have to write in detail everything. If the question of the microeconomics comes, you have to draw the graph, you have to write the explanation of the graph, at the same time you have to draw the schedule too. So automatically it will be you have to write the 2 questions out of 3 questions, and we have kept the 30 minutes for this question. Okay? So now after all this particular thing, we have came to the conclusion how to complete the economics paper. Question 1, A, B, C, D, 4 objectives are there, and marks are 5, 5, 5, 5. Maybe fill in the blanks and come in between. And minutes will be given 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, and 4 minutes. So we have written over here 20 minutes, but at least you can spend the 18 minutes over here. Then question number A and question number B in question number 2 will be consuming the 30 minutes, and question number 3 will be consuming the 30 minutes. Question number 4 will be consuming the 30 minutes. Question number 5 you have to write in between 16 minutes. And question number 6 we have given 40 minutes over here. You have written 30 minutes, but if you want you can actually add some amount of time in these 40 minutes, and automatically total minutes will be consumed by economics paper is comes to as 164 minutes. Paper is getting completed well in advance. So total marks is 80, but if you have the time you can write the extra questions also. We actually preferring to write the extra question because in hurry if something goes wrong and you will be in a position to write the extra question because you do have 16 minutes over here extra. So you can go through this. Thank you very much.